wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best portable monitors. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Promising plug-and-play compatibility with Windows 10, the Gechic 1503E includes a 3.5mm audio jack and a USB Type-C port for power. It accepts digital and VGA inputs via the mini HDMI interface and rests on a plastic folding stand. It's a relatively durable construction. However, the bezel is pretty thick and it's a rather bulky design overall. At number 9, compared to the rest, the Johnwill 4K's 18.4-inch screen is absolutely massive. Though it is large, its UHD image is sharp and clear, and its built-in speakers and 1000:1 native contrast ratio will only add to the experience, making it a good choice for watching movies. It's made of durable machined aluminum and includes a 1-year warranty, but it's not super portable due to its size. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Thanks to a 120Hz refresh rate, the G-Story 173H can produce buttery smooth video when connected to the right source. As long as your mobile device can transmit data over its USB-C port, this one's a great option for playing many of the best Android titles. It covers the entire sRGB gamut, and its blue light filter combats eye strain. However, it is one of the most expensive choices. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for portable monitors, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, while it's not the sleekest option around, the Elecrow IPS is a grab-and-go display that uses so little power it can be driven by a simple micro USB connector. It comes with a full-sized mini HDMI adapter cable and a convenient metal stand. This one's great for use with the Raspberry Pi and includes stereo speakers. It's a relatively affordable choice too. Moving up our list to number 6. The Asus ZenScreen is one of the most popular models and comes from a well-known manufacturer of portable computing hardware. It's just a touch over a 1/4 inch thick and features a flicker-free operation with a blue light filter to minimize eye fatigue. It's Energy Star certified with a 60Hz refresh rate. It works with most operating systems. Halfway up our list at number 5. Thanks to its crisp 1440p panel with 13.3 inches of real estate, the G-Story 133QR delivers an even sharper picture than many 4K displays. It uses a full-size HDMI plug and is compatible with Alt mode over Type-C video transmission. It's equipped with one USB Type-A port and AMD FreeSync variable refresh rate. It's backed by a 1-year warranty. At number 4, available in 3 models ranging from 11.6 to 15.6 inches, the Johnwill CNC has a rugged brushed aluminum body that can stand up to more abuse than most. It covers just about the entire sRGB color gamut and sports a full high-definition resolution. It offers a wide viewing angle, dual mini HDMI ports, and a 12-volt power adapter. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. At under ½ an inch thick and weighing exactly 1 pound, the UPerfect 13.3 inch is easy to stash in a bag or laptop case for use on the road. It has a hole in the corner where you can insert a pen to serve as a makeshift stand. It accepts DC or USB-C power and features an excellent dynamic contrast and a 1920 by 1080 resolution. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for portable monitors, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, one of the most capable models on the market, the Magedok T116D boasts a responsive touchscreen, an average brightness of 400 nits, and support for HDR content. Not only is it a high-performing piece of equipment, it also doesn't cost as much as many others. It features a 1000:1 contrast ratio, and the screen is 10-point multi-touch. A 15-inch model is also available. And coming in at number 1 on our list. If you want a crisp and smooth picture when you're on the move, check out the G-Story UHD, which looks every bit as good as many desktop models. Its HDR compatibility is great for watching films, and its FreeSync technology eliminates stuttering when used with the Xbox One. It's equipped with 2 stereo audio jacks, dual HDMI inputs, and USB Type A and C ports. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for portable monitors, or simply click beneath this video.